Welcome back to WorkPoints TV. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and advanced warships ever built, the USS Gerald R. Ford, also known as CVN-78. This nuclear-powered aircraft carrier represents the future of naval aviation and stands as a symbol of American military strength and innovation. The USS Gerald R. Ford is the lead ship of the Ford-class carriers, the latest generation of aircraft carriers in the U.S. Navy. It was designed to eventually replace the aging Nimitz-class carriers, which have been in service since the 1970s. What makes the Gerald R. Ford so special is not just its massive size, but the cutting-edge technology and design improvements that enhance its performance, reduce maintenance, and make it far more lethal and efficient than any aircraft carrier before it. Named after the 38th President of the United States, Gerald R. Ford, who served in the U.S. Navy during World War II, this ship honors both a statesman and a war veteran. The construction of the ship began in 2005, and after years of development, it was officially commissioned into service on July 22, 2017, at Naval Station Norfolk in Virginia. Measuring about 1,106 feet in length, the USS Gerald R. Ford is longer than 3 football fields. It displaces around 100,000 tons and can carry more than 4,500 crew members, including the air wing. The ship is capable of housing more than 75 aircraft, ranging from F/A-18 Super Hornets and E-2D Hawkeyes to future unmanned aerial systems. One of the biggest advancements found on this ship is its Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, or EMALS. Unlike traditional steam catapults used on Nimitz-class carriers, EMALS uses electromagnetic energy to launch aircraft from the deck. This system is more reliable, requires less maintenance, and reduces stress on the aircraft during launch. It also allows for quicker and more consistent flight operations. Another major innovation is the Advanced Arresting Gear, or AAG. This system is used to recover aircraft landing on the carrier and provides better control, greater safety, and the ability to support a wider range of aircraft, including future unmanned vehicles. The USS Gerald R. Ford is powered by 2 nuclear reactors, which allow it to operate for more than 20 years without refueling. This means the ship can stay at sea longer, respond faster to threats, and reduce the need for logistical support. The nuclear power also provides increased electrical capacity, allowing for the integration of future technologies such as high-energy weapons and advanced radar systems. The ship features a redesigned island, which is the tower structure located on the flight deck. This new design improves visibility for flight operations and allows for more efficient aircraft movement on the deck. The deck itself has been simplified and optimized to support a higher sortie rate, meaning more aircraft can take off and land in a shorter period of time. This improves the carrier's combat readiness and responsiveness during operations. The Gerald R. Ford also comes with a powerful dual-band radar system that combines 2 radar frequencies into a single unit, allowing for better tracking of aircraft, ships, and incoming threats. It also has improved electronic warfare capabilities, communications systems, and advanced sensors that provide the crew with superior situational awareness. To support all of these systems, the ship was built with an entirely new power grid and advanced control systems. Even the crew's living quarters and workspaces have been redesigned for better quality of life and operational efficiency. This includes modernized galleys, improved medical facilities, and automation systems that reduce the manpower required to run the ship. One of the key goals of the Ford-class design was to reduce life cycle costs. Despite being more advanced, the Gerald R. Ford is expected to save over $4 billion in operating costs over its 50-year service life compared to the Nimitz class. Much of this savings comes from reduced crew size, improved systems reliability, and lower maintenance needs. The road to deployment wasn't without its challenges. Many of the ship's new systems were being used for the first time, and there were delays and technical issues that needed to be resolved. However, After extensive testing and adjustments, the USS Gerald R. Ford completed its first deployment with Carrier Strike Group 12 in 2023. During this deployment, the ship operated in both the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea, participating in exercises with allied nations and demonstrating its full operational capabilities. As the flagship of Carrier Strike Group 12, the Gerald R. Ford is a key part of the U.S. Navy's global force projection. It can carry out a wide range of missions, from air dominance and maritime security to humanitarian assistance and disaster relief. With its advanced technology and massive air wing, the carrier can respond to crises around the globe at a moment's notice. Looking to the future, the USS Gerald R. Ford sets the standard for the next generation of aircraft carriers. More ships in the Ford class are already under construction, including the USS John F. Kennedy, CVN-79, and the USS Enterprise, CVN-80. These ships will continue the legacy of American naval power into the 21st century and beyond. The USS Gerald R. Ford is more than just a warship. It's a floating city, an airbase, and a symbol of U.S. military capability. With its unmatched firepower, cutting-edge systems, and forward-thinking design, it's built not just to fight the wars of today, but to prepare for the threats of tomorrow. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the USS Gerald R. Ford. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from WorkPoints TV. We've got more incredible military tech and history content coming your way. See you in the next video.